Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set up parental controls on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on Google. From here, tap on all services. Now on this page, you will find the option of parental controls. Just tap on it, then tap on Let's do this. And from here, just select the Gmail account of your child. And if you have not logged into with your child's Gmail account in the smartphone, just tap on the Gmail account over here, then select Add another account. Tap on Google. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now in this section, just enter the email address of your child. After you enter the email address of your child, then tap on Next. Now just enter the password of your child's email address. After you enter the password of your child's email address, then tap on Next. From here, tap on I agree. Now from here, just select your child's Gmail account, then tap on Supervise this account. Tap on Sign out and continue, then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the parent's Gmail account. After you enter the parent's Gmail account, just tap on Next. Then enter the password of the parent's Gmail account. After you enter the parent's Gmail account, then tap on Next. Now, at the bottom of this page, just enter the password of your child's Gmail account. After you enter the password of your child's Gmail account, then tap on Next. Now from here, tap on Next, then select Allow. Now from here, tap on Next, then tap on Done. And this is how you can set up parental controls on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.